Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Zoom focus mode for distraction-free meetings step by step clearly. Open the Zoom application on your device. Sign in using your account credentials. Once you're logged in, navigate to the top right corner of the window. Click on your profile picture or the settings icon. In the menu that appears, select Settings. On the left sidebar, choose Accessibility. Look for the focus mode option. Toggle the switch to enable focus mode. Once activated, you will see a confirmation message. Now, return to your main Zoom interface. Start a meeting or join an existing one. During the meeting, click on the More button in the control panel. Locate and select the Enable Focus Mode option. Participants will be notified that focus mode is active. In this mode, participants' video feeds will be hidden from each other. They will only see the host's video and shared content. This creates a distraction-free environment for everyone involved. To deactivate focus mode, click on More again. Select Disable Focus Mode from the menu. Confirm the change if prompted, and the meeting will return to normal. Your Zoom meetings can now be held with minimal distractions. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.